Hi everybody, it's Clinton again from ModuleWorks, and I'm here on the DN Solutions stand where I'm joined by Tiger Lee, who's been so generous to give us some of his time to talk about the relationship between ModuleWorks and DN Solutions. So Tiger, let's just talk about that a little bit more. You were saying earlier on that you've been working with ModuleWorks for a couple of years. You've been part of the strategic partner program more recently. I'd like to know more about why. Why have you joined with ModuleWorks? What's the value that we're offering you?
Okay, Robert, thank you so much for your visiting our booth. ModuleWorks is a great company, and then the important thing was when we got some relationship with ModuleWorks, the key point was that the professionalism and then collaborative spirit is the most important factor when we have some decision.
Yeah.
Okay, we will go with the ModuleWorks like it. So it's a really important, the first factors. And then the second one is ModuleWorks have some specialty.
Okay.
In the field of some CAD/CAM software and then connectivity to the machines or something. So those two main factors letting us to have this kind of relationships.
Yeah.
It's a really important thing, and it works really well.
So talking about some of the capabilities, the technologies that ModuleWorks has developed, we were talking earlier on about DN Solutions' digitalization vision. And I think I've always held your company in high respect because of your commitment to digitalization, and you've got some brilliant machines doing some great things. What's your vision on ModuleWorks' input to your digitalization strategy? I think we were talking earlier about your desire to create machines that are smarter, that avoid collisions and so on. What can you say about that today?
Actually, the collision production system is really, really important, and then getting important more and more this moment. And then the ModuleWorks, and then our company, we are aiming at getting higher capability of digitalization, digital twin, digital simulation like that. So our company want to build total solution, the system to our clients. So for that, for example, every company has its own CAD/CAM system or software by themselves, but they need to connect the machine, their software, their CAD/CAM, and connect to the machines. At that time, normally apply some MDES, for example, MDES devices like that.
Yep.
So linked between the customer software, the CAD/CAM, and then machines, through the MDES, customer easily apply their CAD/CAM system to our machine. Machine can easily understand what kind of behavior, what kind of action he should take, like that. So first, it's a really important factor, and then getting higher and higher, the demands from the market is getting increased because customers do not want to have some failure codes or do not endure the stopping time of the machines. It means that the loss of productivity, loss of production means losing the money.
Yeah.
So to fulfill those kind of things or those kind of demands from the market, so we are aiming at we establish more and more the digitalization systems with reliable partner like it.
You know, there's been a lot of talk about digitalization, and your comment before about so many different CAD/CAM software companies out there, they all have subtly different things that they do, and your machines need to be able to almost be agnostic and work with any of those systems. And there are so many opportunities for things to go wrong, from CAM software to CNC type stuff. I understand the importance of making sure that DN Solutions machines are robust, they're reliable, that your clients can trust, or when they press that green button, they can walk away from the machine knowing everything is going to work perfectly well. So no, I think the vision that you have of digitalization at DN Solutions is exemplary. It's really one to be respected. So thank you so much for your time today, Tiger Lee. I really appreciate that. It's been great to hear your thoughts on the relationship between ModuleWorks and DN Solutions, and I thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you found that enjoyable. I encourage you to reach out to the DN Solutions guys and learn more about their machines and how they can help you in your digitalization journey. But for now, thank you, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.
ModuleWorks.